3 days ago I boiled, extracted, and used this beautiful gel on my hair, and today I want to show you guys exactly what my hair looked like 3 days later. Today is the fourth day actually, because today I'm washing it off. So I've had this on for 3 days and the gel is still on my hair. This is so amazing, and the coils did not fall off, it did not go off. And the most interesting thing about this gel is that my hair felt so soft, so coily, and it had a lot of body that prevented it from breaking. So touching my hair and then feeling it, repacking it did not damage my hair. It was so soft and good. What manner of gel is this? What manner? What manner? Just by adding water, my coils are popping already. My hair is not even matting. Like, that's the funny thing about this gel. Like, for 3 days I've been off and on this hair and it's not even matting. Like, I've not added anything and it's detangleable. I'm going to be using my shampoo. So because of the amazing results I got the last time, I want to try like a wash and go with this gel today. Aloe vera gel. Be using this flaxseed. Yeah. We're going to be doing wash and go today, and this is the gel we're gonna be using. So I boiled it with clove and rosemary. We're going to be using this leave-in conditioner that I formulated. It is really nice, water based, and it's good. So for the first time in my natural hair journey, I want to like do a wash and go, wash and go, and I really don't know what it's going to look like, and I'm just very skeptical about what it's going to look like. And that is why I'm kind of like washing my hair, because this month I have washed my hair once and I don't think I really need to wash my hair, because normally I would just wash my hair once a month, but I just want to wash it so that it will bounce the way it is bouncing, and the wash and go will be a success. I hope so. So I'm going to go ahead with my aloe vera gel. So I'm going to be deep conditioning with this leave-in conditioner and aloe vera gel. So that is what I'm doing right now. I will just put on the aloe vera and detangle my hair a little, then add the leave-in conditioner. So this is how I want to deep condition my hair today for extra moisture. So you all know that aloe vera adds moisture to your hair and then help conditions your hair. So when I put aloe vera, I'll put my leave-in conditioner on it, and that is how I'm going to deep condition today. I'm not using any product to deep condition aside what I have with me. So natural hair is not that expensive, but it is expensive. Natural hair is not that hard, but it is hard. Natural hair is everything you want, it's not everything you want, because taking care of natural hair is exhausting. Taking care of natural hair is draining. I won't even lie to you. If you have natural hair, you have to find a routine that suits you. If you are doing this every week, you are going to faint. Like, I just tried manipulating my hair every week and I'm already stressed. I'm drained, and I don't advise this for new time natural. Don't even go in to manipulate your hair every day. You're going to lose hair. So I just finished deep steaming my hair, and this is what I have. So this deep conditioner is something I can leave on my hair if I want to, because it's really moisturizing and it doesn't have any chemical that I would like to like rinse off that might spoil my hair. But I just want to rinse it out a little so that I don't have too much flakes. So now I'm just going to go in with more leave-in conditioners so that I can add my gel. So this is what the flaxseed gel looks like. It is not very thick, like too thick, because I made the consistency to be something lightweight since it is going to be for a wash and go. But I think I made a mistake right now. Like, this is where I'm beginning to regret that action of mine. I should have just let it be. So I'm just going to apply it all over my hair and see the results at the end of the day. So this is what I have now. It's a little bit white, but I believe it's going to dry out. So I'm just shaking my hair to get each section to coil up. I'm just shaking my hair like the true wash and go. But this is the result. After drying it a little bit, it did not come out well. I had so much flake and I regretted my actions. But the only reason why I did not jump into the shower to wash off this hair is because I'm too stressed to do that again. And I don't want my hair to suffer. So I will just endure and let all the nutrients from the flaxseed to absorb. So I'm going in with a little castor oil to see if the flake will die down. But if it's not gonna die down, I'm still going to carry this hair like this. Maybe just keep holding it up in an updo. I feel so disappointed with this wash and go. But we move. We are never giving up. We're going to move. The next time we'll do it is going to be better. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next one.